Today we are going to learn how to fix this type error message when you try to open your Premiere Pro project. This error message will happen when you work in a project, also save a specific folder, but unfortunately you delete the footage from your specific folder, also change the folder location. You can see you will face this error. Then just click the cancel, then this project will open, but see the error message, right? So how can you fix this one? Okay, so just click the clips, right click mouse, link media, okay. Then find location, search location, okay, then press OK. Okay, this footage location is found, and same, click this footage, right click, link media, location, search location, okay, fix this one. So it will happen if you are working in a big project, you have 2 team members, so you will done 50% work, then your team member will open this project, then see the previous error, but he cannot fix this way, then the footage and everything will lose that time. So before sending the project file, you need to select the sequence also, or you can go to file, project manager. See, project manager is open. So in first sequence, 2 sequence, one is new work, another is work. So see, here is 2 sequence, work that I am working, there is 2 footage only, but new work, new sequence is empty. I do not want to send this sequence, I want to send only the work sequence. So go again, file, project manager, make sure works is selected, then collect the file, copy to new location, check this one and check this one also, exclude unused clip, then check this one also, preview file, rename media part. Now you can browse a new location where I want to change in desktop, new folder, portrait, okay, select the folder. See, also you can calculate this folder, this project file says 26 megabyte. Now click OK. So it will ask you to save the project before continuing. So yes, this is done, right? So now go to the desktop, find bread folder, see here is a new folder, okay, at archive, okay, you can send this folder, this will work. So hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.